Foodies, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of fine dining or just love to explore new culinary experiences, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best restaurants in the USA that should be on every food lover's bucket list. Let's get started! Segment 1, 11 Madison Park, New York City. Starting off our list is the iconic 11 Madison Park in New York City, known for its exquisite fine dining experience. This 3-Michelin-starred restaurant offers a plant-based tasting menu that redefines luxury. With its elegant Art Deco setting and innovative dishes, 11 Madison Park is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience culinary artistry at its finest. Segment 2, Alinea, Chicago. Next up, we head to Chicago, home to the legendary Alinea. This restaurant is a pioneer in molecular gastronomy, offering an unforgettable multi-sensory dining experience. Chef Grant Achatz's creative approach turns every dish into a work of art. Alinea isn't just a meal, it's an adventure that challenges your senses and leaves a lasting impression. Segment 3, French Laundry, Yountville, California. In the heart of Napa Valley, California, you'll find the renowned French Laundry, helmed by Chef Thomas Keller. This restaurant has been a cornerstone of American fine dining for decades. The French Laundry offers a farm-to-table experience, with a focus on fresh, local ingredients that are carefully curated into a 9-course tasting menu. Dining here is like tasting a piece of culinary history. Segment 4, Osteria Mozza, Los Angeles. Heading over to the West Coast, Los Angeles is home to Osteria Mozza, a temple of Italian cuisine. Co-owned by celebrity chefs Nancy Silverton, Mario Batali, and Joe Bastianich. This restaurant offers a refined yet approachable dining experience. Whether it's their handmade pasta, fresh mozzarella bar, or rich, authentic flavors, Osteria Mozza delivers a taste of Italy in every bite. Segment 5, Commander's Palace, New Orleans. And last but certainly not least, we head down to the vibrant city of New Orleans to visit Commander's Palace, a staple of Creole cuisine since 1893. This historic restaurant is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the true flavors of the South, from their legendary turtle soup to the decadent bread pudding souffle. Commander's Palace offers a unique and authentic dining experience that's steeped in tradition. And there you have it, the top 5 best restaurants in the USA. Whether you're in the mood for groundbreaking molecular gastronomy or classic Creole flavors, these restaurants offer something truly special. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the best places to eat, travel, and explore. See you in the next video!